Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of System.io and ClickFunnels. Alright, let's begin. So, first let's talk about System.io. Over here, System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build membership sites, and manage online courses. After that, it also has built-in tools for affiliate management and automation. Then it's known for being very affordable and simple to use, which makes it a good option for beginners. Some of the pros include its low price, easy setup, and having all tools in one place. The cons are fewer design options and templates compared to bigger tools, and it might not have as advanced features for large businesses. Now let's talk about ClickFunnels. Over here, ClickFunnels focuses mainly on building high converting sales funnels. After that, it offers a lot of funnel templates and customization options. Then, it supports upsells, downsells, and order bumps, which are very useful for boosting sales. Some of the pros include advanced funnel features, good analytics, and a big community for support. The cons are it can get expensive, the learning curve can be a bit steep, and it mostly focuses on funnels instead of being a complete all-in-one tool. So that's basically the main differences are between System.io and ClickFunnels. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.